Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia Tigray crisis is that viewers, media reports says that clashes between Ethiopian and Tigrayan forces continue in Tigray and over 1 million people are now thought to be displaced. Viewers, as of 26 February, it is estimated that over 4.5 million people are in need, with around 52,000 people killed since the start of the conflict and over 60,000 having fled to neighboring Sudan. Viewers, there have been numerous reports of large-scale massacres of civilians and high numbers of violent attacks, sexual violation and abuses, including rape. Because the brutality of the conflict has left countless people, especially women and girls. Because hunger is a major issue with harvests impacted in November and December. Many areas are approaching famine levels. Most health clinics have been destroyed or looted and are struggling to function. Viewers, here is a main issue is that what can I do to support the people affected by the conflict? Viewers, in the description a link is placed. By this link you can donate for the people of Ethiopia Tigray crisis. Viewers, here is a main question is that what is the situation for the Ethiopian fleeing into Sudan? Because the refugees are being resettled into two main camps in Gaddarif state after arriving through transit centers Rakuba and Tuyanbada. Viewers, while Rakuba was already established as a camp and is reaching capacity, Tunidba is a new resettled site that is now beginning to receive arrivals. Viewers, here main question is that what is the situation for the Ethiopian fleeing into Sudan? Viewers, by 20 January 2021, about 60,000 Ethiopian refugees have been crossed the border with the new arrival containing Delhi. Viewers, the refugees are being resettled into two main camps in Gaddarif state after arriving through transit center Rakuba and Tunyadba. Viewers, while Rakuba was already established as a camp and is reaching capacity, Tunibda is a new resettlement site that is now beginning to receive arrivals. Our partner has established itself working in the new resettlement camp of Tunibda, where few actors are currently present and they have started to construct latrines for about 500 people. Viewers, work in Tunibda face additional challenges due to its lesser accessibility and black cotton soil which is poor for construction. Viewers, this is the latest news about Ethiopia Tigray crisis. So for more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.